And here, we're going to look at the bedrooms. There is a pantry right here, outside of the kitchen in the hall. Pantry, there's a hallway, goes down, and a full bath in the hall. It's a nice full bath. The light needs to be replaced. Full bath, tub, shower. It's in good condition. It wouldn't really need anything. I mean, it looks good. It's got a little privacy door and a mirror in case you want some privacy and somebody's in the sink. Bedroom has three bedrooms, hardwoods, closet space. Pretty good size in here. Not too bad. And this room is the master bedroom. It's a little tight, but it's not too bad. But it does have his and her closet, so that's good. Although I probably would use the whole thing myself because I have a lot of crap. There is some type of a closet over here. I don't know what this is. Nope. It's a door to the bathroom, so there's two doors to the bathroom. It's type of pantry for the bathroom, or a storage closet for the bathroom. They're using this as an office, but it's actually good size. I mean, you could put a bed in here, or you could use it as an office space. Got hardwoods in good condition, double doors, closet. Okay, alright, I'm gonna head down to the basement.